Hey guys, it's David here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put facial recognition on a Mac. Now, I'm not just talking about when you go to Google something and you want to enter your password. I'm talking about when you actually log on to your Mac, that user screen where it's supposed to be like user David, and you'll need to apply your password. And you'll still be able to apply your password, but instead you'll also be able to use facial recognition. Now, I think this is an interesting concept, and it's not actually hard to do. It used to be like for the old Toshiba computers, where you would have to, it would take 30-40 seconds for it to kick in, but this is instant, right? Like it takes half a second, and that's just because that's what I've set it to. There's less of a chance of it mistaking me for someone else. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up whatever browser you have. So this could be Google Chrome or Safari or even Mozilla Firefox, but I would not suggest using that because it's just an overall horrible browser. Anyway, enough on my opinions. You're going to want to go to www.keylemon.com. So it should show you a screen something like this. And so you're going to want to click the download button right here. And so it shows you two options here. It shows you Windows and Mac. We're going with the Mac today. I'll do a later video after on how to download it for Windows and set it up. So when you click on Mac, nothing happens. But you scroll down, you'll see there's a box here. It says download free Keylemon 2.74. And you click that. It downloads here. Give it a second to load up. I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so it's loaded up and we're back. So first thing you want to do is you want to click open, and it's going to say opening Keylemon and here. So for most Macs you'll have the security settings as not being able to download any app except from the Mac App Store. So you're going to want to go into security preferences, and then into preferences, here it says system preferences, security and privacy. It'll say a login password has been set for this user, blah 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 blah. But we're not interested in that. We're just going to be interested in this. So for me, there's the administrator has not allowed these changes to be made. So I'm going to do this. So now we're in, and I'm just going to say anywhere just for this demonstration, and then I'm going to change it back because this helps you protect your computer, right? Click open. Just click continue. So this is the important information. I read this all before, and you can read it if you want to, but we're just going to skip through this for this tutorial. Continue, agree, install. Here it's asking you for this just because that's the way I have my system preferences set. So So it's going to ask you to log out to finish the software. So I'll be back in a second after I click log out. Alright guys, so David here and I'm back. So first thing you're going to want to do is you've just logged out of your Mac and everything's, it said it was installed. So you're going to want to go to Launchpad as I'm showing you here. Search up here for Keylemon. So see, I got three things. I'm going Keylemon. The first thing you want to do is go in webcam. You select FaceTime HD camera if you're on a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro. You select whatever camera you want to use. If you have external webcam powered by USB, you can use that too. It stops the webcam after 60 seconds of inactivity, so I don't kill the battery in my Mac. This is actually useful. You want to delay the authentication because there's less chance that it'll confuse you with someone else. So now we go to general. You're going to say wizard. You read this. I've gotten a position I like. I say create new face model. There we go. click next, and name it. Your name is Dave. You say finish, and it's going to give you a face model. See, for me it's like this, so that's what you're going to want to do. Alright, after you're all done, you're going to want to close this. I'll show you here. Alright, so now I'm going to show you what happens when you use this. So I'm just going to sleep my Mac by closing the lid. We're going to open it up. And it's that quick. Like I told you, it takes 1 second. It's not like those annoying old ones that took 45 seconds. And if you see, so my normal Mac password still works in case I want to use it or for some reason the facial recognition isn't working. When I have the time, I'll be able to come out with a Windows tutorial as well. Anyway, there you have it. That's how you put facial recognition password on a Mac. So if you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe because... Alright, thanks for watching.